Hello, my name is Vince and today I'll be showing you how to make 3 easy macaroni recipes using only the microwave. Now I know these recipes are already originally easy enough to make, but life can always be a little more simple. I got the idea to use macaroni after seeing I had a lot of it left over from the relief packages. Maybe you do too. Before we get started, I just want to put out some disclaimers. The wattage of my microwave is 700 watts, so you'll have to adjust the cook time accordingly. Always use a thick rim microwave safe container that can hold more than 2 times the amount you'll put in it to prevent it from boiling over. And of course, be careful because surfaces will be hot. That's all, let's get started. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the recipes, make sure to follow the page, and I'll see you on the next one.